Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Mike, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Aliza. Welcome, everyone. We hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are.
Eliza, can I ask you something?
Of course, Mike. What's on your mind?
Have you ever looked at your life and thought, what am I supposed to do?
Oh, yes, more than once.
Really?
Yes, I think almost everyone asks that question.
That makes me feel a little better.
Good, because today we're talking about a very interesting topic.
Today, we're asking one simple question.
How can you find your purpose?
Don't worry, this is not a difficult lesson.
That's right. We will use slow, clear, and easy English.
So you can relax, listen, learn, and enjoy.
And before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy learning English with us.
Thank you so much. Your support means a lot to us.
All right, let's begin.
Eliza, what does purpose really mean?
That's a wonderful question. Purpose is a reason to wake up, a reason to learn, a reason to grow, a reason to help.
So purpose is not only about work.
Exactly. Many people think purpose means finding the perfect job, but that's not always true.
Really?
Yes, a teacher can have purpose, a doctor can have purpose, a student can have purpose, a parent can have purpose. Even someone helping one person every day can have purpose.
Wow. So purpose is bigger than a job.
Exactly. Purpose is about how you live, not only what you do.
Can I tell you something funny?
Of course, I like funny stories.
Last week, I watched a video. It said, find your purpose in 5 minutes.
Oh, and did it work?
Well, 5 minutes later, I was only hungry.
Oh, maybe your purpose was finding lunch?
That was exactly what I did.
See, sometimes lunch is very important.
Especially when you're hungry.
Absolutely.
But honestly, finding your purpose sounds difficult.
It sounds difficult, but maybe we make it difficult.
What do you mean?
Many people believe there is only one perfect purpose, one perfect answer, one perfect life.
Yes, that's exactly what I think.
But life doesn't work like that. Life changes, people change, dreams change.
So purpose can change too?
Yes, and that's completely normal.
When I was 10 years old, I wanted to become a superhero.
Really? Which superhero?
Any superhero. I didn't care. I just wanted a cool costume.
That's honest.
Then I wanted to become a pilot, then a football player, then a movie star.
Wow, you had many dreams.
Yes, and now I'm still learning about myself.
And that's okay. Learning about yourself is part of life.
Sometimes I compare myself to other people.
Many people do that.
I see someone buying a new house, someone traveling the world, someone starting a business, someone becoming famous. Then I think, what am I doing?
Mike, can I tell you something important?
Please.
Never compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20.
That's beautiful. Can you say it again?
Of course. Never compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Everyone starts somewhere.
Wow, I think our listeners should remember that.
Me too.
You know, social media makes everything look perfect.
That's true. People usually share their best moments, not their hardest moments.
Exactly. Nobody posts, I made 10 mistakes today.
Probably not.
Or, I burned my breakfast.
Or, I forgot my keys again.
That happened to me yesterday.
Really?
Yes, I spent 15 minutes looking for my keys. They were in my pocket.
Oh, Mike.
Please don't laugh too much.
I'm trying, but that's funny.
Maybe success isn't being perfect.
Exactly. Success is learning. Success is improving. Success is trying again.
Trying again. I like those words.
Let's repeat them together. Trying again.
Trying again.
One more time. Trying again.
Trying again.
Excellent.
Aliza, can I ask another question?
Of course.
How can someone begin finding their purpose?
Start with something simple. Ask yourself, what makes me happy? What makes me curious? What makes me want to learn more?
Not what will make me famous.
Exactly. Fame is not purpose. Money is not always purpose. Purpose often begins with curiosity.
Curiosity. That's a nice word.
Curiosity means you want to learn. You want to discover. You want to understand.
I think curiosity is like opening a new door.
That's a wonderful example.
Let me think. I enjoy helping people with technology. When someone's phone doesn't work, I like fixing it.
Really? How do you feel after helping them?
Happy. Very happy. Especially when they smile.
That's interesting. Maybe that is one clue.
A clue?
Yes, purpose doesn't always arrive with a big sign. Sometimes it gives us small clues. A smile, a feeling, a moment of joy.
Small clues. I like that.
Let's repeat it. Small clues can lead to big dreams.
Again, small clues can lead to big dreams.
Perfect.
So I don't need all the answers today.
No, not today. Not tomorrow. Take your time. Grow step by step.
Step by step.
Yes, one step, then another, then another.
That feels much easier.
Because life is not a race. Everyone has a different path. Everyone learns at a different speed, and that's perfectly okay.
Before we finish today's conversation, I'd like everyone listening to think about one question.
Yes, take a moment. Think carefully.
What is one activity that makes you smile?
It can be reading, cooking, drawing, teaching, helping a friend, playing music, learning English, anything.
Don't worry if your answer is small. Small answers often become big dreams.
I really like that.
Me too.
And remember, you don't have to find your whole future today. Just take one small step.
One small step every single day.
In our next part, we'll talk about simple daily habits that can help you discover your purpose and become more confident.
I can't wait.
Neither can I.
Thank you so much for listening today.
If you enjoyed this conversation, tell us in the comments, what activity makes you feel happy and alive?
We would love to read your answers.
Take care, keep learning, keep smiling.
And remember, your English gets better one conversation at a time.
Bye, everyone.
Hello again, everyone. I'm Mike.
And I'm Aliza. Welcome back. We hope you're enjoying today's conversation.
Aliza, after our last talk, I kept thinking.
Really? What were you thinking about?
I realized something. Finding your purpose is not only about thinking. Maybe it's also about doing.
Exactly, Mike. That's a very important lesson.
Sometimes I spend hours thinking, but I don't take any action.
Many people do that. They wait for the perfect moment, the perfect idea, the perfect plan.
And sometimes that perfect moment never comes.
That's right. So today, let's talk about action. Small action, simple action, daily action.
Can one small action really change someone's life?
Yes, absolutely. Let me give you an example. Imagine you want to learn English.
That's a great example.
If you study for 5 minutes every day, what happens?
Little by little, I improve.
Exactly. Now imagine you never study.
Nothing changes.
Right. Purpose grows through action, not only through thinking.
Let's repeat that again. Purpose grows through action.
Again, purpose grows through action.
One more time. Purpose grows through action.
Mike, can I ask you something?
Of course.
What is one small thing you've always wanted to learn?
Photography. I love taking pictures.
Really? Then why haven't you started?
Well, I keep saying I'll start next week.
Ah, the famous next week.
Yes, next week is always very busy.
Or maybe next week never arrives.
That's true.
Here's a better idea. Don't wait for next week. Start today, even for 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes?
Yes, 10 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
I like that. Small progress is still progress.
Exactly. Let's say it together. Small progress is still progress.
Again, small progress is still progress. You know, sometimes I'm afraid of making mistakes.
That's a very common feeling.
I think, what if I fail?
Mike, can I tell you a secret?
Please.
Every successful person has failed. Many times.
Really?
Yes, failure is not the end. Failure is a teacher.
A teacher. I like that idea.
Every mistake teaches us something new. Every mistake makes us stronger.
So, mistakes are not our enemies.
No, they are part of learning.
Well, I have many teachers then.
Me too, Mike. Me too.
Aliza, what if someone still doesn't know what they love?
That's okay. Try different things. Read books, learn new skills, meet new people, travel if you can, volunteer, help someone, take a class, ask questions, stay curious.
The more we explore, the more we discover.
Exactly. Sometimes your purpose finds you while you're busy learning.
I have another question.
Go ahead.
Is purpose always something big?
Not at all. Purpose can be very simple. Making your family smile, helping a friend, teaching a child, taking care of your parents, being kind to a stranger, learning English every day. These things matter.
Sometimes we forget that.
Yes, we think purpose must be huge, but often it's found in small moments.
Speaking of small moments, yesterday I helped my neighbor carry some heavy bags.
That was kind. How did you feel?
Happy. He smiled, he thanked me, and I smiled too.
See? Kindness gives life meaning.
Maybe purpose begins with kindness.
I believe it often does.
Let's give our listeners a small challenge.
Great idea. Everyone listening, tomorrow, do one kind thing. Just one. Smile at someone. Help someone. Say thank you. Call your parents. Encourage a friend. Hold the door open. Share something nice.
Then notice, how do you feel?
You might be surprised.
Today's conversation taught me something. What's that? I don't have to know my whole future. I only need to take one small step today.
Exactly. One small step every day.
One small action.
Every day.
One small improvement.
Every day.
That sounds much easier.
Before we say goodbye, let's remember today's important ideas. Purpose is not a race. Purpose is not about being perfect. Purpose grows slowly. Purpose changes as we grow. Small actions matter. Kindness matters. Learning matters. Curiosity matters. And most importantly, never stop trying.
Beautifully said. Let's repeat one final sentence together.
Ready?
Ready.
Every small step
Every small step
brings me closer
brings me closer
to my purpose.
to my purpose.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
We hope this conversation helped you improve your English and gave you a little more confidence.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
And now we'd love to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what is one small step you will take this week to move closer to your purpose?
We read your comments and they always make us smile.
Keep practicing, keep learning, keep believing in yourself.
One conversation, one lesson, one small step at a time.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
I'm Mike.
And I'm Aliza.
See you in the next English conversation. Bye.